If you're staying in an Airbnb and you've come across one of these Bosch Tassimo Joy machines, and when you turn it on it has a little red light here, that simply means you need to fill it with water. So if you turn it around the back here, this is your water tank. To remove the water tank, you put it out this way, like so, and we're going to bring this over to the sink and we're going to fill up to the max level here. So I'm just using cold tap water, drinking water. It's going to go through the filter, so it's going to be quite slow to filter through. So I'm just going to fill it up to the max, like so, and then it will take a few minutes to filter through the cartridge here, just to give you filtered water. And to place it in, you're going to put it at a bit of an angle with the bottom bit going in first, like so, because this bit here locates into the hole just in here. So locate it like so, and then it will go into place like that. And now if you have a look at the front, it's just gone into standby, but if I lift this to turn it on, you can see the red light has now gone out. Thanks for watching.